JD Cap 26 here to do Tips and Repairs and Hobbies. And we got this box here. And we don't know what's in the box. So let's open it up. Some mummified parts here. I don't know. That's it in the box. What could be in these mummified bags? We're going to find out soon. Maybe you can take a guess. So let's open up the first package. Hopefully we don't damage it. Ah, it's a base. Look at that. It's a base of some kind. Wow. Let's open up the next package. There's the base. These are wrapped very well. I don't know if we can get this package out of here. Out of this bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. It's a woman in a bathing suit. I don't know. I'm gonna open the last package. You guys think you know what it is yet? It's the Halloween special. Hopefully we can open it so it doesn't get damaged. We don't want to damage it before we make the model. Oh, now you know what it is. It's Creature from the Black Lagoon. Let's get him out without breaking them. Wow, he's cool looking. And he stands up on his own. Let's see, any parts in there? Nope. So that's what's in the packages. So let's open up this package right here. And grab some stuff out of here. Ooh, look at that. Monsters in Motion sign. Definitely need one of those. That's cool. That's gonna go up. Take the woman out. The woman looks like there's no modeling have to be done to the woman. She goes up here, I think, on the base. And fairly simple kit. And here's the arms. And this one looks like it's webbed. Where it's webbed. Oh yeah, it's webbed there too, so he's okay. Let's look at the other piece here, the last piece. I'm going to save the Ziploc bag. I always can use it. And there's the sign. Can you see that? So, there's the sign. So we got two signs to go up. I don't know how we're going to put them together. Maybe one like that and one like that. I don't know. We'll see. Signs are fun to paint. I love painting the signs. you know. So put that to the side, and drop some paint over there. We're just going to put the arms on the creature, and we'll do that next. I'm going to take a break. So we got the green stuff out here, and we'll just peel that away. And I just sharpened these scissors, so I want to try them out. It cuts pretty well. And as you know, we peel back the two ends on the green stuff. Get rid of the plastic, because you don't want to mix the plastic in with the putty, the epoxy putty. I love using this stuff. The guy said when he sold it to me, oh, you're going to love using this stuff. You'll, you know, I mean, some guys actually will make figures out of this stuff. They know how to sculpt it with, they sculpt it and they use, you know, a little water to smooth it and out and everything. I only use it to put, you know, models together. I haven't sculpted anything in it. Shout out to Ace of Clay, though. You should watch his channel. And he sculpts things out of clay, and he's very good at it. I'm sure you heard about him if you watch my channel. I have him in my playlist, I believe. If not, I'll put him there so you can find him. So you mix this up till it's green, a nice solid green, and we'll just cut it in half and put it on top of the plastic case right there. And I'm going to put it in here on his arm, and his arm goes on like this. I don't think I'll even have to do any compounding, because I put enough in there. Just put it up a little bit higher, just like that. Say like that, and put them down. Take the other piece and put it in the socket there, nice and deep. And this arm goes, I believe, like that. Get a tool here. Actually, a popsicle stick. Not both arms go up in the air. So like that. Okay. And you're going to let them harden overnight. And actually, we should take a little bit more here. And just a little bit. Since this is an adult channel, we're going to give her some adult features. See if I can peel this plastic off. And I probably won't need as much as what I'm taking here. There we go. That plastic likes to stick to your fingers. Make sure it's off your fingers before you mix it. And mix it up like this. You're not going to need much, so turn this around. I think, I don't know if I'm going to leave her loose after I paint her. I may leave her just loose so I can put her down like that. I may just epoxy her to the base. I think maybe I should epoxy her to the base. And just go like this. And we get a tool here. This is where the sculpting comes in. Make sure your tools are clean. There's some stuff on this tool here we gotta get off. There we go. And take another piece. I mean, sometimes you waste the stuff, you know, the putty. You don't need much to do this job. We're actually giving her breast implants. So like that. So we got them all together, and there he is. This is all put together. Not a very hard kit to do as far as making it itself. And the next part would be in another video. You'll see the painting of it. You know, I'll have it painted up for you, and I take my time with that. My airbrush is down. I have to have it. I gotta fix it. So I have other airbrushes, but I need the detailed one. And here's the sign. I don't know where I'm gonna put the Monsters in Motion sign. Somewhere. Maybe no, not on top. It'll cover. I'll have to find a place for it. Maybe next to it. I don't know. Like that. Maybe I put the two together, but then it covers the part of the model. Yep. This is going to have to be fitted in. I'm going to have to shave the sign, this sign a little bit, sand it down to fit it in this slot here. That's the only thing I have to do. That'll be last because I'll fit it in there after off camera, and then you know, paint it and everything. So thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.